When I'm not rooster cruising and making idiotic ramblings, I am kicking my nephew's butt in a game of pool. Come on. That's how it's done, ladies and gentlemen. Got this change jar I keep in my bedroom floor. I went to Italy. Another wallet's upstairs. Went to Italy and bought this new wallet. Carries all my cards and ID and driver's license, but it only has a small place here for folding money. So I taking all the folding money out and throwing it in the jar. So if we want to go to the strip club, we got plenty of singles there, Roger. But all the singles, and I had all these right here in this jar, so that's pretty nice to see that. So count all this out. Normally I just take it to the change machine at Walmart. We don't go to Walmart anymore. So I'm having to count it out by hand. I can probably take it to the bank, let them run it. But I'm going to count it and put it in a bag. You take it to the bank, let them bank change it. Because I got to go, I sold to Harley. So I gotta go to the bank to make a deposit. I thought, well, I'll take this money with me because I need some RZR parts. So we're having to count out all this money because I need RZR parts for to go ride, man. So we're gonna get our money counted and see if we got enough money for some RZR parts. See ya. Well, I was gonna say that I normally do this every 3 or 4 years. And I used to take it on vacation, be my vacation fund. I think it's probably been 5 or 6 years I've done this. So this is quite the collecting. And all the change, I'd never carry change in my pocket. So every day when I come home, I take the change out of my pocket and throw it in that jar. I throw it in the bedroom floor when I take my pants off. So it adds up, man. That's a good, easy way to save money. And then you got RZR part money. So, or vacation money, or whatever. 10 years ago when I quit smoking, I was taking the smoking money and putting it in the jar. And after about 1 year, I went on a killer vacation. Then when I came back, I never did do that again. So, if I'd kept that habit up, I'd be a rich man today. That would come on. But anyway, so we're going to go back to counting these. These are dollar stacks. So there's 50 bucks there, and another 10 there, and 4 there, and geez, I hadn't count all that. So yeah, we got a little bit of money going on there, and still half the jar to go, and we gotta get on it there, Roger. We're gonna be here all night. Gee whiz, man. I ain't never. Okay, see ya. Show me the money. Well, bad news. We only had $346 in loose money in our jar. So we need more RZ part money. We're short. Well, we have another special carrier's delivery box in the driveway. UPS man just dropped it off. And let's see what we got. These guys come through, man. I need to get me a new this knife. Pretty bad. Holy smokes. Alright, we're gonna have to get a new sticker here. This little sticking device right here is just not doing it. I can mail that box back to him. It's like a lot of money in packaging and material. I guarantee you they're not going to get damaged in shipping. And just look at it wrapped up over here. I'm going to have to cut all that apart and show you guys. Holy smokes. Alright, so I got it opened up there, but we'll have to get the ones off the bike to show you the difference in this massive difference in the material. And then we went with the upgraded rear link rods. This is a factory sway bar puny rod. We're going to put that in there. And these are adjustable as well, the heim joints. So, time we get this thing done, man. So we're going for this little thin, cheesy bar there to this massive round stock, which will help give us more clearance, but also amazing strength. All right, there's the difference in this is the factory, and this is the Special Carriers manufacturing. One little bit difference in the material. This is round stock, pretty solid, beefy stuff, and that's just a square tube there. Got this side done, so it's gonna look pretty good. I broke my brake line thing. He says not to run the brake lines under the shock mounts, but the factory is. I'm going to take these back off and run that brake line under there, because as you can see, there's lots of clearance under there. So I'm going to run it under there anyway, even though he says not to. But if you don't, it's just hanging on the bottom side there, and I'm afraid it'll get hung up on sticks and stuff in the trails. So we're going to run it under there and help secure it a little bit better. And anyway, that's what this side looks like. We get ready to put it back together. What a job. It's a job, one-man band. And I can't get these in by myself on the other side. It just needs like a hair to go in there. You need somebody to push and pull and pry while you push the boat in. Some things you just can't do by yourself there, Roger. Okay, see you.
You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.